Have you ever pondered the question, which YouTube niches have the potential to make you wealthy? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into 7 YouTube niches that have proven to be goldmines for content creators. First up, we have the tech review niche. As technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, people are increasingly looking to experts to help them navigate this ever-changing landscape. From the latest smartphones to groundbreaking AI developments, tech reviewers are in high demand. They offer in-depth analysis, product comparisons, and tips and tricks that can save users time and money. The key to success in this niche? Staying ahead of the curve and delivering information that's both accurate and accessible. Next on the list is the fitness and health niche. As society becomes more health conscious, there's a growing demand for fitness and wellness content. From workout routines to nutrition advice, this niche offers endless possibilities. A successful channel in this space is one that can offer unique, effective, and scientifically backed health and fitness solutions. Third, we have the gaming niche. The world of video games is vast and varied, and so are the opportunities within this niche. From game reviews to walkthroughs, from esports commentary to character analysis, the gaming niche offers a wealth of content possibilities. Success here requires a deep understanding of the gaming world and an ability to engage with a passionate, knowledgeable audience. The fourth niche is the beauty and fashion niche. This realm is all about trends, tutorials, and product reviews. It's a space where creativity and personal style can truly shine. To make a mark here, one must stay on top of the latest trends, offer practical and unique style advice, and maintain an authentic connection with viewers. Coming in at number 5 is the personal finance niche. In an increasingly complex financial world, people are seeking guidance on budgeting, investing, and wealth management. Channels in this niche that can break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand content are the ones that rise to the top. Sixth on our list is the food and cooking niche. Whether it's recipe tutorials, food challenges, or exploring international cuisines, the culinary world offers endless content possibilities. Success in this niche requires a passion for food, a knack for teaching, and an ability to make viewers' mouths water. Last but not least, we have the travel and adventure niche. This niche feeds the human desire to explore and experience new places and cultures. From city guides to travel tips, to showcasing hidden gems, this niche is all about capturing and sharing the wonders of the world. So, there you have it. 7 lucrative YouTube niches that can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Whether it's tech, fitness, gaming, beauty, finance, food, or travel, the potential for success is there. All it takes is dedication, creativity, and a keen understanding of what your audience wants. Happy creating. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.